Hello, children. Hope you're all fine. Okay, I'll ask you a few questions. Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to protect our body from heat, rain, and cold. Name two natural fibers. Two natural fibers are cotton, silk. Which clothes absorb less sunlight? Cotton clothes absorb less sunlight. What do you wear to school? You wear a uniform to school. When do you wear woolen clothes? We wear woolen clothes in winter. Okay, children, now tell me, where do you go on a holiday? You go to a movie, zoo park, Lumbini Park. Yes? Okay. Why do you go to a zoo park? You go to a zoo park to see animals. Why do you go to a park? You go to a park to breathe in fresh air. Why do you go to park to breathe in fresh air? Trees in the park give us oxygen. We breathe in oxygen and leave out carbon dioxide. Plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Where do balloons fly? Balloons fly in the air. Where do kites fly? Kites fly in the air. Where do birds fly? Birds fly in the air. Today we are going to learn a lesson on air. Why do we need air? We need air to live. Can we live without air? No, we cannot live without air. Where is air? Air is everywhere. Can you feel air? Yes, you can feel air. What is the color of the air? Air has no color. What is the shape of the air? Air has no shape. What is a breeze? Air that moves gently is called a breeze. What is wind? Moving air is called a wind. What is a storm or a gale? Fast moving air that uproots trees and destroys homes is called a storm or a gale. What does air contain? Air contains different gases, smoke, dust, and germs. Air also contains water vapor. Water vapor is the gaseous form of water. Does air occupy space? Yes, air occupies space. Let us take a balloon, blow air into it. It fills up with air and becomes bigger. This shows that air occupies space. Does air has weight? Yes, air has weight. To understand this property of air, you will need two balloons of the same size, one filled and the other empty, three pieces of string of equal length, a ruler, or a straight stick. Request an elder to attach a string at the exact center of the ruler or the stick. Take the two balloons and tie each of them with a string. Attach a balloon to each end of the stick. Lift the balloons with a string at the center. You will find that the balloon, which is filled with air, goes down as it is heavier. The empty balloon goes up as it is lighter because it has no air. This shows that air has weight. Does air expand when it is heated? Yes, air expands when it is heated. To understand this, you will need a plastic bottle, a balloon, and a bowl of hot but not boiling water. Fit a balloon on the mouth of the bottle. Place a bowl of hot water on the table. The water should not be too hot. Place the bottom of the bottle in the bowl of hot water. Wait for a few minutes and observe what happens. Slowly, the balloon starts growing bigger. This is because the air in the bottle expands when heated and fills the balloon tied to the mouth of the bottle. What is air pollution? Smoke, dust, and germs in the air make it dirty. This is called air pollution. What causes air pollution? Air pollution is caused by smoke given out by vehicles, factories, and burning things. Harmful effects of air pollution. Air pollution causes a number of diseases. The most common diseases are cold, cough, and influenza. Germs and smoke present in the air make a healthy person sick. What are the ways to prevent airborne diseases? We can prevent these diseases in the following ways. We must always keep our hands clean. While sneezing or coughing, we must cover our mouth and nose with a hanky or turn our face away from people nearby. We must not share hankies or towels. What are the ways to reduce air pollution? We can reduce air pollution if we follow these habits. We must walk or cycle to nearby places instead of using motor vehicles. If many people are going to the same place, we could share a vehicle. We must not burn things in the open. Plants clean air. We must grow more plants. Thank you.